When it comes to a night out at the club, sexy heels are an essential part of the look that can elevate your style and presence to a whole new level. High heels have long been associated with confidence, allure, and sophistication, making them a must-have for anyone who wants to make a statement on the dance floor. Whether you're strutting in classic stilettos, bold platforms, or sleek ankle boots, the right pair of heels can instantly transform your outfit from casual to captivating. But it's not just about the visual impact. Heels alter your posture, making you stand taller, elongate your legs, and give you that extra sway in your hips, which adds an undeniable touch of sexiness to your entire vibe. One of the keys to pulling off sexy heels in a nightclub setting is finding the perfect balance between style and comfort. Let's face it, nightclubs are all about dancing, and no matter how fabulous your heels are, if they're too uncomfortable, you're not going to be able to enjoy yourself fully. That's why it's crucial to choose a pair that not only looks good but also supports your feet enough to keep you on your toes literally throughout the night. Consider heels with cushioned insoles, platforms that distribute your weight more evenly, or block heels for added stability. The last thing you want is to be limping by midnight, so be sure to test out your shoes beforehand, maybe even break them in around the house, so you know you can comfortably last in them for hours. Once you've found the perfect pair, it's all about styling them right. Sexy heels in a nightclub are best paired with outfits that accentuate your figure and highlight the shoes themselves. Think body-hugging dresses, skirts that show off your legs, or even sleek, fitted pants paired with a crop top. Metallics, bold colors, and statement accessories can amplify the glamorous feel of your look, and heels add that finishing touch of refinement. The sound of your heels clicking on the floor as you walk through the club will make heads turn, and as you dance, your elevated posture will exude confidence. So, whether you're going for sultry, glamorous, or edgy, the right pair of sexy heels can make all the difference in creating an unforgettable night at the club.